Today, I'm about to perform the step-off method with my framing square in order to calculate my rafter length. In order to do that, we need to get a measurement. We need to get our total run. Now, the width of our structure, or our model right here, is 5 feet. That's called our total span. Now, from the corner, dead center of our structure is 2 foot 6 inches, okay? That's the measurement we need, and that's called our total run. Now, our slope diagram has a 4-unit rise and a 12-unit run. So I got the 4-inch mark right here located on the edge of my lumber, and it's also on the tongue of my framing square. Now come over here. On the body of my framing square, I got my 12-inch mark right here touching the edge of my lumber. Now I can slide my square gauges over and lock them into place. So right here along the tongue of my framing square, I make my ridge plumb line. Then I come over here to the body of my square, making a mark right here at 12. Our total run is 2 foot and 6 inches. All we're gonna do is slide our framing square to the left in order to step it off. Let's do it. Okay, so we stepping off 2 foot 6 inches. We already made our ridge plumb line right there, and we have a mark at 12 inches. So 12 inches is 1 foot, okay? So we done stepped off 1 foot. We're gonna bring the tongue of our framing square right here to our mark, okay? Right here at our mark, and we come back over here and mark our 2nd foot. Our last step off would be 6 inches, okay? We're gonna mark a crow's foot right here. Let's do it. Now I'm gonna slide my framing square over until the tongue of my framing square hits my mark right here, okay? And now we can come 6 inches on the blade of our framing square. Make a crow's foot. That's our 2 foot 6 inches. Okay, so this crow's foot is where I'm gonna put my heel plumb line, okay? I'm using my speed square to mark that. I got my scale, common scale on 4. Let's do it. I'm marking my seat cut line. Okay, there's my bird's mouth. Now I'm taking off 3/4 of an inch to make my ridge plumb cut line. There we go. I'm cutting the 2nd line. As you can see, we're up here against our ridge board. It works every time. Temple builders.